राज्यांत 2 दिसांच्या टॅक्सी संपाचो परिणाम शेनवारा मुरगांव क्रूज बोटीर येवपी पर्यटकांचेर दिसलो. पर्यटक कितलींशींच वरां टॅक्सी सेवे खातीर वतांत उरले. ह्या संपाचो गोंयच्या पर्यटकांचेर परिणाम जालो. कांय दीस फाटीं गोंय सरकारान GTDCन भायल्या टॅक्सींक MPTंत येवपाक बंदी घाल्ली, कारण थळाव्या टॅक्सीवाल्यांक भाडीं मारपाक मेळची म्हण. मात ह्याच टॅक्सीवाल्यांनी संप केल्ल्यान हाचो पर्यटकांचेर परिणाम जाला म्हण ह्या वेळार थळावे उलयल्यात. RDX खातीर मुरगांवच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Well, I'm a little disappointed that we can't do a little exploring on our own. We were going to take the rickshaw, but it costs too much money. So we'll go back to the ship and wait for our tour, get on our tour bus and see it that way.
What will be the memories you are carrying?
Just disappointed that we couldn't do a little exploring before our tour.
It's always something. We'll get there. Yeah, it's great. Hopefully we have a pleasant trip after this. Hopefully the taxis start for the next group.
We have been in halfway to paradise. We will get there.
That's right.
Okay, so basically how is the experience of walking on the street?
It's always fun. I love walking on streets. It's better than walking in the forest for me.
Great.
It's all part of the adventure of travel.
Great, sir.
I'm sure we'll have a great time.
Friends live in Goa, up in Calagunte. They were trying to go see them, and I was going to take a taxi and negotiate, and I've got, and I'm very disappointed. This is terrible.
How you rate Goa in 1 into 10?
It's my first time here.
But
transportation?
Yeah.
Terrible. Zero. There's zero transportation here right now. We're hoping maybe they can figure out the strike sooner than later. No?
Everybody's suffering?
2,000, I don't know, there are 2,200 people on the ship.
Already been filmed by somebody from the media, so I just want to get on a bus and go to the beach.
How was the experience?
It's not pleasant.
From which country you are?
We're from the UK.
I think that cruise ship visitors in particular appreciate safety because many of them are a little bit older than me and perhaps not as mobile as other people. And I know that they choose a cruise because they feel that the travel will be safe for them. And they worry about local traffic.
Taxis available because of a strike, so we've had to get a tuk-tuk because we hadn't hired a tour to take us, so we're relying on the tuk-tuk.
So there is no transport?
No, they were on strike. The private taxis were on strike, and the government buses we can't get. Lots of good memories, yeah. Really enjoying India so far. Next stop is Cochin. So yeah, we're really enjoying the weather. It's raining in England all the time. So we're enjoying the weather.
A handicap because we love to walk and we sometimes take taxis, but if there are no taxis we just walk and we see the village and we meet people and it's very, very nice.
Yes, it's not first time here.
Yeah, but we are tourists from England.
Okay.
And we have come down on the ship.
Okay.
To do a tour of India.
Okay.
Ourselves, yeah?
Yeah.
But all the taxis are on strike. And the ones that want to go are scared to go in case they get in trouble.
So how is the experience?
Our experience is very bad because we can't find transport to take us on a tour now.
Now, what's your plan for today?
Our plan for today is is to walk it to the nearest bus stop
Okay.
and take a bus up to where.
So basically, you have to take a walk on the street.
Yeah, we're walking on the street. We're taking a bus to Roscoe, and from there we're going to take a bus into Katamba.
We prefer a taxi because we know we can trust that it's legitimate.
So hardship are facing by you?
That's why.
Hardship.
Oh, hardship, yes.
It is very unfortunate. Just 10 days ago, GTTC stopped all tour operators from sending taxis to the cruise terminal because they wanted to give an opportunity to the local taxi drivers, the Sada Taxi Union. And today, the same union has ditched the GTTC and the government. Not a single taxi is here. 2,000 people on the cruise liners have been put to inconvenience, which is going to take a very bad name of Goa. It is a big shame. It is a lesson for GTTC and the government now to come out with alternatives.